I am JVM Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastav from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today we will discuss Euclidean and polynomial ring. We have seen an expression of the form a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus and so on anx to the power n is called a polynomial, where the coefficient a0, a1, a2 and so on an are numbers only, integers are real or complex, then concept of polynomial will now be generalized. Polynomial over a ring. Let capital R be a ring. Let a0, a1, a2 and so on an belongs to R be arbitrary. A polynomial over a ring capital R, which is defined on a infinite order system a0, a1, a2 and so on an with the most finite number of non-zero element. Two polynomials a0, a1, and so on b0, b1 are said to be equal if ai is equal to bi for all I. A polynomial a0, a1, ai is usually denoted by the symbol fx is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a1x square plus and so on. In this expression, x is an arbitrary not belonging to capital R, which commutes with every element of R. Also, fx is called a polynomial in one indeterminate over the ring capital R. a0, a1x, a2x square are called term of this polynomial, where a0, a1, a2 and so on are called coefficients of term. Constant polynomials. A polynomial consisting of only a single term a0 of the ring capital R is known as a constant polynomial. Zero polynomial. A polynomial a0 plus a1x plus a2x square over a ring capital R is called a zero polynomial if an is equal to 0. Sum and product of the polynomial. Consider the polynomials fx is equal to a1x plus a2x square plus and so on an x to the power n, gx is equal to b0 plus b1x plus b2x square plus bnx to the power m over a ring capital R. The sum of fx and gx is defined as fx plus gx is equal to a0 plus b0 plus a1 b1x plus a2 b2x square plus and so on ai bi x to the power I. The product of fx and gx is also defined as fx gx is equal to c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus and so on cnx to the power 4 plus and so on. With ci is equal to summation j plus k I aj and bk. This is c0 is equal to summation j plus k is equal to 0, aj bk is equal to a0 b0. c1 is equal to summation j plus k aj bk is equal to a0 b1 plus a1 b0. c2 is equal to j plus k is equal to 2. So aj bj is equal to a0 b2 plus a1 b1 plus a2 b0 plus and so on. Monotonic polynomial. A polynomial fx over a field capital F is called a monic if the leading coefficient of the highest power of x is unity element of x. For example, 4 plus 5x plus x square, a0, a1x plus a2x square plus x cube, 4 plus x cube are monic polynomial. Second, 4 plus 5x minus 2x square, 1 plus x plus 5x cube are not monic polynomial. Now, divisibility of polynomial over a field. Let fx be a set of polynomials over a field capital F. Let fx gx be arbitrary element of fx. Divisor of an element of fx. Fx is said to be divisor of factor of gx if there exists a polynomial hx belongs to fx such that gx is equal to hx fx. If fx is a divisor of gx, then in symbol form we can write fx divided by gx. Associates. If fx divided gx and gx divided fx, then fx and gx are called the associates. Now unit. A unit of fx is an element fx belongs to capital Fx which has multiplicative inverse. It means that all the constants polynomial of fx are unit of fx. Next, proper and improper divisor. A polynomial fx in capital Fx is divisible by its associates and unit. All these divisors are called improper divisors. All other divisors are called the proper divisors. Next, prime and irreducible polynomial. An element fx of capital Fx is prime over f if it has no proper divisor in fx. Fx is reducible if it has proper divisor. Hence, if fx is irreducible, then it is not reducible and vice versa. For example, x square minus 3 is a prime over field of rational numbers, whereas x square minus 3 is reducible over the field of real number. For x square minus 3 is equal to x minus root 3 and x plus root 3. The next example, the polynomial x square plus 2 is irreducible over the field capital Q of rational numbers as well as over the field capital R of real numbers, but reducible over the field C of complex numbers since x square plus 2 is equal to x plus root 2i x minus root 2i. This example shows that the irreducible depends on the field F. Now we will move for the next example. Find the degree of fx plus gx, fx dot gx, hx triple time where the polynomial are on the integers under modulo 8 and operations are addition and multiplication. It is given fx is equal to 2x plus 4x square and gx is equal to 2 plus 6x plus 4x square and hx is equal to 2 plus 4x. Now for the solution, we find fx plus gx, this is 2x plus 4x square plus 2 plus 6x plus 4x square. This is equal to 2 plus 8x plus 8x square. Now fx plus gx is equal to 2 plus 0 dot x plus 0 dot x square. Hence, degree of fx plus gx is equal to 0. Now fx dot gx, this is equal to 2x plus 4x square into 2 plus 6x plus 4x square. This is 4x plus 12x square plus 8x cube plus 8x square plus 24x cube. This is equal to 4x plus 20x square plus 32x cube plus 16x to the power 4. Now again this can be written as 4x plus 4x square 0x cube plus 0x to the power 4. Since modulo 4, this is 4x plus 4x square under modulo 8. Hence degree of fx is equal to 2. Now hx into triple time, this can be written as hx to the whole cube. So 2 plus 4x to the whole cube is equal to 2 cube plus 4x to the whole cube plus 24x in bracket 2 plus 4x. On solving, this can be written as 8 plus 64x cube plus 48x plus 96x square is equal to 8 plus 48x plus 96x square plus 64x cube. After applying the modulo 8, this will be the 0 under modulo 8. Hence the degree of hx to the whole cube is undefined, that is 0. Thank you.